French Frank's Flashfish 18V 60W Foldable Solar Panel Portable Solar Charger with DC output USB-C QC 3.0 for phones, tablets, camping, RV trip. Flexible and foldable, easy to set up and save space. The portable solar panel captures more solar energy than lying flat by adjusting its kickstands to a perfect angle, 45 degrees plus 5 degrees. Simple operation. 1. Unzip the zipper and find the port of the solar panel. 2. Plug one end of the cable into the DC output port of the solar panel, DC 5521 female. 3. Plug one end of the cable into the input port of power station. If you use other brands of power station, pay attention to the size of the port for successfully charged.